to play in building that fabric. And we recognize that as a brand. And we recognize the positive role that sports play in forming the communities where we operate. And because we operate in those communities and we need license to operate in those communities, we therefore have to align ourselves with things that are dear to the people that we work with. Sports is important for people who build brands. It speaks to things that people connect with. And for us, as a bank, we recognize this. We recognize the role that the sports have in connecting us to the audiences that we want to connect.
Today we are very excited to have this kind of workshop between ABSA Bank and SJAC, Sports Journalists Association of Kenya. It has been very fruitful. One, we were educated about financial literacy. As I said during my presentation, one of the major problems we face as sports journalists is that we don't have the financial literacy. Sometimes we make a lot of money when we are still working in the newsrooms, but when redundancy comes about a year or two, you find guys going into depression because they didn't save well.
Aya na tukiingira hari